Welcome to Blank Slate Ventures. Let's dive into the top venture funding deals from January 29th to February 4th. This week, in the late stage and growth sectors, we've seen some electrifying moves. an electric school bus developer from Redwood City, California, is leading the charge with a $140 million growth funding round. Backed by giants like GIC, Climate Investment, Sequoia Capital, and SoftBank Vision Fund. Flying into the future, Heart Aerospace from Göteborg, Sweden, is taking electric regional aircraft to new heights with a $107 million Series B funding, thanks to Air Canada, Breakthrough Energy Ventures, EQT Ventures, and other forward-thinking investors. In the fight against climate change, Watershed, a carbon tracking and reduction platform based in San Francisco, California, has secured $100 million in Series C funding. Green Oaks Capital, Emerson Collective, Kleiner Perkins, and Sequoia Capital are among the backers supporting this crucial mission. On the front of industrial innovation, Boston Metal from Woburn, Massachusetts, adds an additional $20 million to its Series C funding for decarbonized steel development, with Marunouchi Innovation Partners joining the effort. Tau Group, an EV motors pioneer from Torino, Italy, gears up with an additional $12 million in Series B funding, driven by CDP Venture Capital and Santander Energy Climate Fund. Diving into the world of sustainable materials, Xampla from Cambridge, UK, is breaking down barriers with a $7 million Series B funding for its single-use plastic alternatives, supported by a consortium of visionary investors, including Amadeus Capital Partners and Horizons Ventures. In the early-stage arena, we're witnessing groundbreaking advancements. Transmutex from Geneva, Switzerland, is revolutionizing nuclear waste management with a $23 million Series A funding from Steel Atlas, Union Square Ventures, and @One Ventures. Crux, a New York City-based IRA tax credits marketplace, is unlocking financial incentives for renewable energy with an $18 million Series A funding, led by Andreessen Horowitz, and supported by Lower Carbon Capital and others. Planet A Foods from Munich, Germany, is sweetening the deal in the food industry with a $15 million Series A funding for its cocoa-free chocolate, backed by World Fund, Cherry Ventures, and other impact-focused investors. In the carbon market, CarbonPool from Zurich, Switzerland, secures a $12 million seed funding for its carbon credit insurance solutions, with backing from Hardcore Capital, Vorwerk Ventures, and others. BlueLayer in Berlin, Germany, streamlines carbon project management with a $10 million funding round from Point 9, blending pre-seed and seed investments. Haven Energy from Los Angeles, California, is empowering homes with a $7 million Series A funding for its residential energy storage platform, supported by Giant Ventures, Lara Hippo, and Comcast Ventures, among others. Aquaconnect from Chennai, India, brings AI-driven insights to aquaculture with a $4 million Series A funding netted from S2G Ventures. Mobile Power in Sheffield, UK, is electrifying off-grid communities with a $3 million seed funding for its battery-sharing platform, backed by Beyond the Grid. Clevergy, based in Madrid, Spain, optimizes energy consumption with a $2 million seed funding from Zuby Capital, Finaves, and Earth. Alt.Leather from Melbourne, Australia, is redefining sustainable fashion with a $1 million seed funding for its plant-based leather alternatives, supported by StartMate and the Alice Anderson Fund, among others. Drop Mobility, a Toronto-based innovator in electric micromobility, has also secured Series A funding from Decathlon Capital Partners, amount undisclosed, further accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation. In the exits realm, Greenleaf Energy Solutions, a solar installer from Oxford, Connecticut, has been acquired by Facility Solutions Group, marking a significant move in the renewable energy sector. Turning to new funds, the investment landscape is vibrant with several significant announcements. KKR has raised a colossal $6.4 billion for its latest Asian infrastructure fund, targeting sectors including energy to bolster the continent's infrastructure landscape. Generate Capital, based in San Francisco, CA, has secured $1.5 billion to invest in low-carbon infrastructure, demonstrating a strong commitment to sustainable development. Speedinvest, hailing from Vienna, Austria, announced the close of its $377 million fund, with a focus on early-stage investments including climate startups, showcasing support for innovative solutions to environmental challenges. ArcTern Ventures, from Toronto, Canada, raised $335 million for its third fund dedicated to early growth stage climate companies, highlighting the increasing investor interest in the climate tech sector. Mirova, a London, UK-based firm, secured $280 million for its climate fund focused on emerging markets, underscoring the global importance of climate investments. Giant Ventures, also in London, UK, announced a $150 million climate-focused growth fund aimed at Series B companies, signaling strong support for scaling innovative climate solutions. Future Energy Ventures, based in Berlin, Germany, raised $118 million for its fund to invest in digital and software solutions for the climate transition, indicating a strategic focus on technology-driven environmental impact. Practica Capital, from Vilnius, Lithuania, closed an $86 million fund targeting early-stage industrial and deep tech startups, including those addressing climate challenges, showcasing the broad spectrum of innovation in the fight against climate change. And that's a wrap for this week's deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more startup news. Thanks for watching.